Why, hello everyone. This is James, Uncle James. I'm here with another great video. Now, in this video, we're going to look at Clickly. It's a link shortener, and it also helps you to track how many clicks you're receiving and from where. Now, this tool that I'm currently using, this is a must-have for anyone that is involved with internet marketing. You must know how many clicks you're receiving and where those clicks are coming from. This is just one of the tools, link shortener that's out there, but I am doing a test on this one. I'm using the free version. I'm doing a test, kind of like a test run or a test drive on this particular software. Now remember, success leaves clues. We are designed to do great things, and there is greatness within. So let's go ahead and look at some of the features. Again, it's a link shortener. This is, if you use the free version, this is kind of like the domain that will appear in your link shortener. It allows you to manage your links with extreme ease. I found that to be true. Track links on any platform. Wherever you put that link out there, it will track it and will let you know where the click is coming from. Now, you can add your brand to each link. Now, this is an upgraded feature. Use your own domain name, upgraded feature. So these are some of the benefits that this program offers. So now I'm going to take you into the inside. We're going to look at my dashboard. Okay, I'm back, guys, and I'm in the back office of Clickly. This is my free version that I'm using. Now I have 2 clicks. I have 2 links that I'm using with this particular tool. I received 4,066 clicks. Now, because this is a free version, it only goes back to 7 days, okay? So within the last 7 days, I received over 4,000 clicks. And so here are the clicks, here are the links that I am currently using. And over here, it tells me where they're coming from, recent activity. Okay, so this one came from Canada. The United States right here, Los Angeles right here. So it allows me to see where the clicks are coming from. This is extremely invaluable tool. This is a must-have. Now, let me speak this blessing over you. Now, before I do the blessing, I just want to remind everyone, in order to achieve your dreams, your goals, your aspirations, you must have a PMA, positive mental attitude. Without this PMA, there is no way that you can make your dreams come to pass. You must know that you are the head and not the tail, above only and not beneath. Everything that you touch shall prosper, that you are blessed going in. You are designed for greatness. Keep in mind, you must do the work. You have to do the work, and then when you have done the work, you will enjoy the benefits. There are some days in which you don't want to do anything, but you just have to press through. Do not let a day pass without you working on your goals, your dreams, and your aspirations. So let me speak this closing blessing over everyone. Until we meet again, may the Lord continue to bless us and keep us. May He smile upon us. May He be gracious and kind to us. May He continue to open those doors and enlarge our territory. We thank you that our children, that their name will be great in the land, that we will no longer know lack, we will no longer know poverty, that we are the head and not the tail, above only and not beneath. Y'all have a great day. Take care now.